Hello guys, and welcome to HGS Media Plus TV. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys three tips on how to identify fake money making websites. Yes guys, you heard me. 3 tips on how to identify fake money making websites. Now there are so many people out there looking for one platform or the other to make money online, and unfortunately so many persons has fallen into the wrong hands of these fake websites, or in the name of making money online. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing you these 3 tips on how you can identify this website, and hopefully you won't be among those victims. Right now, without further ado, I'm just going to be going straight to the point because I planned this video for 3 minutes, so I wouldn't want to waste 3 minutes. Now, number one, if you have a platform or someone introduced a platform for you where you think you can make money online, a way you can identify that this platform is fake is number one, when any platform asks you to do what? To deposit any amount of money before you can withdraw your earnings. Brother, sister, I need you to do what? To run. Trust me, any legitimate platform will not ask you to deposit for you to be able to withdraw your earnings. And it's so unfortunate that so many people have fallen victim to this platform that does this kind of thing. You feel, if you make that deposit, you get paid, and when you do, at the end of the day, you see nothing. Take note of this. Take note of this. When you get to any platform that tells you, okay, deposit 1 naira or 2 naira or 5 naira before you can withdraw, just run away from it. Trust me, you don't want to engage. Then number two, any platform that requires you to refer certain numbers of persons for you to be able to withdraw your earnings. I want to believe that some of us are familiar with this certain method. But for those of you who are not familiar with this, if you are using a platform where you have worked, you've engaged in tasks, you've done so many things, and you've earned to a certain level that you now want to withdraw, and you are now asked to refer maybe 10 persons, 15 persons, 2 persons before you can withdraw, don't even start. Because the moment you start referring different persons to this platform, you are only helping them make money, because at the end of the day, they might not give you the money that you made. Yes, and even the people you referred will end up doing the same thing, and the end is just a countless a process. Other persons keeps doing the same thing, and at the end of the day, you are automatically generating traffic for them, hence making money for them. And if you notice, some of this platform, they run ads on the platform. They are either running branded ads or advert from like Google AdSense or any other advertising network. So take notes. You do not need to refer any number of persons to a website to earn your cash. Any website that tells you to do that is fake. Run away from it. Okay? And thirdly, the last but not the least, okay? Any platform right now that you register upon, sign in as a new register, and gives you a bonus. They just automatically give you a bonus, like, okay, if you just register through somebody's referral link, they give you a bonus of $10, $15, $100. Sometimes they even tell you $500, $1,000. Then they now want you to engage in certain tasks to earn to that a bonus they're giving to you for you to be able to withdraw. Trust me, any platform that gives you bonus like that, you might end up not being able to withdraw that money. Do you know why? Because those bonuses there are just to use to encourage you, like to make you feel that yes, it's like a motivation. Rather, that bonus they are giving to you is like to motivate you, to help you engage in that task that they want you to do. But at the end of the day, you realize that after time and data wasted, you just realize that you are not able to withdraw. Sometimes when you go to the withdrawal platform, it is blank. Sometimes they will tell you wait for so and so period of time. Sometimes they will tell you they are doing some maintenance. Trust me, any platform that you register upon signing and gives you any amount of bonus, and you are not asked to earn on top of that bonus for you to withdraw, trust me, you might not be able to withdraw it. you might not be able to withdraw it, right? So guys, these are the 3 tips I just want to share with you. And let's forget, very soon I'm going to be dropping videos or 2 on platforms you can actually use to earn money online, legitimate platforms. Okay, so please, if you know you enjoyed this video and you were very 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 satisfied with this video, with the information I've shared with you guys, please kindly click on the subscribe button, and when you do, click on the notification bell so that when I drop new videos, you will be notified. Okay, so see you guys in our next video. All right, remember, this is HGS Media Plus TV, and what we do here, we share videos on how to make money online, and of course giving you viral videos to entertain all our viewers. Alright guys, I can see I've exceeded the 20 minutes that I promised you guys. Okay, I'm sorry, this is almost 6 minutes already. This is about 5 minutes or seconds. I just wanted to emphasize on this so that you can be well informed. Alright, till we come your way again, stay tuned to this channel. See you guys. Bye bye.